Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Sonia. Today's topic is normalization. What is normalization and why we use normalization? Normalization basically a systematic approach of decomposing tables to eliminate data redundancy means repetition and minimizing anomalies. Anomalies basically we can say errors or data inconsistency. Before this, we have to understand what is a normalized relation. Unnormalized relation contains non-atomic values. Means each row may contain multiple set of values for some of the columns. These multiple values in a single row are also called non-atomic values. This is our relation name is department. These are the attributes. This is the primary key of a relation department. To overcome these anomalies and redundancy, we need to normalize the data. Here are the most commonly used normal form: 1NF, 2NF, 3NF, BCNF, 4NF, 5th NF. 1NF, 2NF, 3NF, BCNF use functional dependency, 4th NF uses multi-value dependency, and 5th NF uses joint dependency. In this lecture, we will discuss only 1NF and 2NF. Now come to 1NF. First normal form. What is first normal form, or what is the main concept of first normal form? A relation schema is said to be 1NF if the value in the domain of each attribute of the relation are atomic. In simple term, only one value is associated with each attribute, and the value is not a set of values or a list of values, right? There are main two techniques to achieve 1NF for such a relation. We will take a department relation. First method is remove the attribute D-location and place it in a separate location relation, department locations, along with primary key, D number of department. This decomposes the non-1NF relation into 1NF relations. This is the main technique in normalization. We decompose the relation into 2-3 relation and the attribute along with primary key, right? Second method. In second method, expand the key so that there will be a separate tuple in the original department relation. In this case, the primary key becomes the combination D number and location. This solution has the disadvantages of introducing redundancy: A 3 times, 1 3 times, 4 3 times. So this introducing means redundancy. So we generally use this method, decompose the relation. Now the next topic is second normal form. Second normal form is based on the concept of full functional dependency. And the first thing is, what is full functional dependency? Full functional means, suppose there is a dependency x tends to y, where if removal of any attribute from x means functional dependency does not hold anymore. This is called full functional dependency. If functional dependency still holds, this is called partial dependency, right? This is the basic definition of 2NF. Relation should be in 1NF, and a relation schema R is in 2NF if every non-prime attribute A in R is fully functionally dependent on the primary key of R. If primary key contains single attribute, the test need not be applied at all. If there are two attributes, look, this is a table, employee, project. These are the attributes. SSNP number is a candidate key. In this relation, if we compare this, a relation schema R is in 2NF. Relation schema employee project is in 2NF if every non-prime attribute, every means Rs, E name, P location, is fully functionally dependent on the primary key of R. Fully functionally dependent, or R's is okay because R's fully functionally, both SSN and P number dependent, R's dependent on fully functionally, but E name dependent only SSN. This condition violates the 2NF condition. This relation is not in 2NF. We will take another example. Plots relation. There are two candidate keys, PID and name and plot. In this relation, FD1 is okay, FD2 is okay, because if I told you single attribute is there, the test need not be applied, right? If there are two attribute, look, FD1 PID all dependent on PID, okay. FD2 PID dependent and both, area dependent on name and plot both, price dependent on both, text rate dependent on both, but text rate dependent on name only, because in plot relation schema text rate is partially dependent on candidate key, right? Partially dependent on candidate key, single attribute. So what we will do, we decompose the relation to normalize plots into 2NF. We decompose it into the two relation, plots 1 and plots 2. We construct plots 1 by removing the attribute text rate that violates 2NF from plots, and this is plot 2, text rate dependent on name, right? This is enough for today. Next lecture we will discuss 3NF, BCNF, and the comparison between 3NF, BCNF and anomalies.